Open up the piano and let's play Waymaker by Leeland. Hi friends, I'm Patrina. Now before we break it down step by step, here is a quick demo. And by the end of this lesson, you will be able to play too. Chord A coming up, bow, right, left, right and right, E, bow, right and right and right. Chord B, bow, right, left, right and right. C sharp minor, bow, right and right and right. Same sequence, A, left, right and right. Chord E, bow, right, left, right, and now we go to B, right, and we C sharp minor, bow, right, left, right and A. Alright, let's get started. Now first, I will show you the key of this song and which black keys we will be using. This song is the key of E major, which means I have 4 black keys that's going to happen later on, and that's the F sharp, C sharp, G sharp and D sharp. You will be able to spot these black keys on the chords coming up later on. There's a total of 4 chords to this song. It's a rotating 4 chords, A, E, B and C sharp minor. The first chord we have an A major. We're going to put our hand 2 steps down from middle C. Now this is your middle C. Going to go down to B, go down to A, and then we're going to place our thumb over here on A, finger 3 on C sharp, finger 5 on E. For our left hand, we're going to go down 1 octave, 8 notes down. Now this is a A, this is our A major. Next chord we have an E major, where we're going to keep our finger 5 on E and finger 2 activate on B, and our thumb we are going to go down to G sharp. Okay, so this is the E major right hand on the first inversion. Left hand I'm going to activate finger 4 on E. Now this is our E major chord. Next chord we have a B major, where I'm going to shift my thumb, right hand thumb, to B, 1 step down from middle C, this middle C, 1 step down to middle C, to B, and then finger 2 I'm going to have a D sharp, finger 4 I'm going to have a F sharp. We want to use 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 4, no problem. As well as for our left hand, I'm going to move out 1 step to B. Now this is our B major in a root position. And lastly, we have our C sharp minor. I'm going to shift the whole hand up, right hand up to C sharp, E and G sharp. I'm using finger 1, 2, 4 because it's comfortable for me. And left hand, thumb stretch up to C sharp as well. This is our C sharp minor in the root position. Here are all the chords you need for this song. Take a moment to pause and practice, switching between them until it feels smooth for your playing. If you would like to understand the formula behind major and minor chords, be sure to check out my piano chords video, link below. And if you would like a printable version of this chord sheet, I have prepared it as part of my resources for every of my tutorial on Patreon to take your learning further, so do check it out as well. We're going to start with our chorus with the playing pattern, both, right, left, right and right for every chord. Okay, both, right, left, right and right. So we're going to start with our A chord chorus, you are. Let's play it slowly. A chord, you are. Waymaker, miracle worker. E major, promise keeper, light in the darkness. B major chord, shift up. My God, that is who you. C sharp minor, shift up again. Ah. You are. Repeat again, A chord. Waymaker, miracle worker. E chord. Promise keeper, light in the darkness. B chord. My God, that is who you. C sharp minor, are. So let's play smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. Repeat again. You are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. So as for our verse 1, 2 and 3, we're going to still have the 4 rotating chords, A, E, B and C sharp minor, but we're going to simplify the playing pattern. We're going to make it into a both, right and right and right. So instead of a complicated left hand, we're just going to keep it simple. Both, right and right and right for verse 1, 2 and 3. So let's try verse 1 slowly. You are here, A chord. moving in, out, E chord, mid. I worship, B chord, you. I worship, C sharp minor, you. You are here, A chord again. Working in this, E chord, place. I worship, B chord, you. I worship, C sharp minor, you. So let's play verse 1 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You are here, moving in, out, mid. I worship you. I worship you. You are here, working in this place. I worship you. I worship you. Chorus, you are. Let's try verse 2. Similar to verse 1, A, E, B, and C sharp minor with the pattern both right, right, right. So let's play verse 2 slowly. You are here, A chord, touching every, E chord, heart. I worship, B chord, you. I worship you, C sharp minor. You are here, A chord, healing every, E chord, heart. I worship you, B chord. I worship you, C sharp minor. Let's play verse 2 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You are here, touching every heart. I worship you. I worship you. You are here, healing every heart. I worship you. I worship you. And you are. And lastly, for verse 3, same rotating chords A, E, B, and C sharp minor. Let's play it slowly. You are here, A chord, turning lives around, E chord. I worship you, B chord. I worship you, C sharp minor. You are here, A chord again, mending every, E chord, heart. I worship you, B chord. I worship you, C sharp minor. Let's play verse 3 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You are here, turning lives around. I worship you. I worship you. You are here, mending every heart. I worship you. I worship you. And you are. Now let's move on to our tag. That is who you are. That is who you are. A, E, B, C sharp minor. Same 4 chords rotating. But this time our pattern, we're going to use our chorus pattern. Both right, left, right, and right. Okay, so that is who you. A chord, are. That is who you. E chord, are. That is who you. B chord, are. That is who you. C sharp minor, are. So let's try the tag smoothly. Ready? 1, 2. That is who you are. 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 Let's play one more round. That is who you are. 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 And lastly, for our bridge, you're going to change it up. If you're up for the challenge, you can use this pattern, both right, 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 left. Okay, so we're going to do the right, left at beat 4 instead of beat number 2. But it's still the 4 same rotating chords, A, E, B, and C sharp minor. So let's try the bridge slowly. A chord. Even when I don't see it, you're working. E chord. Even when I don't feel it, you're working. B chord. You never stop working. C sharp minor. You never stop working. Okay, and then it repeats again. So let's try the bridge smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, A chord. Even when I don't see it, you're working. Even when I don't feel it, you're working. You never stop working. You never stop working again. Even when I don't see it, you're working. Even when I don't feel it, you're working. You never stop working. You never stop working. And that marks the end of our tutorial. Great work today! Now every time you practice, you are getting better and more confident at the piano. If you would like the extra support, I prepared resources like chord sheets, diagrams on my Patreon page to guide your learning further. My next video will be a practice track for this song, so be sure to check that out and practice together with me. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so you won't miss what's coming next. Now keep learning, have fun. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.